Alright, so pretty much out here trying to do some maintenance on the G35, on the Vq35de. I got some spark plugs. These are actually Denso. You can get this on Amazon. You need 6 of them. And so I have a bunch of cool stuff over here that we're gonna be upgrading maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, because I'm still waiting for some parts to come. But I got a sandwich plate. This is actually a thermostatic sandwich plate from Mishimoto, because we're gonna be adding an oil cooler. Since we're gonna be adding an oil cooler onto the G, we're gonna have to drain all the oil and replace the oil filter and whatnot. So I got a OEM Nissan oil filter. I got some AM fittings over here. Now the reason that I got AM fitting because I'm gonna be start making my own lines. It's because I have a oil cooler left over from this car. As you guys know from last year, the JC swap, I used to run a 25-row Mishimoto oil cooler, but this year I actually upgraded to a 40-row one. That's why the 25-row Mishimoto oil cooler is sitting around, you know. So I'm gonna be also, like I said, making my own lines. These are actually braided lines. You know, it's 5 feet each, so we got 10 feet. Hopefully we fit in here. I think I have the oil cooler sitting around in the garage. Oh, it's right there. It's been sitting in there for, I don't know, a couple months maybe. I just gotta clean these up. All right, this is from the JZ. So, I mean, it still works. Right? It's a little banged up and stuff, but it should work perfectly. I just gotta wash it, take out all the oil, whatever is in there, and then, you know. Another thing that I needed to do for the oil cooler to sit somewhere in there is a bracket. I don't know where it's gonna sit yet. I've seen a lot of people, you know, put them right in front of the support. Maybe I'm gonna do the same thing. There is actually plenty of space in there, so I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's not bad. So pretty much today what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the spark plugs, and also we're gonna take out all the garbage that we don't need in the car. This thing came out really dirty. There's a lot of stuff here that I don't need. CDs, bag, paper, garbage. It is really filthy in there though. So I have all my tools. These were actually sitting on the truck. Hey, and then that's pretty much. Maybe we'll give it a wash because this thing is really dirty though. Alright, so take out the spark plugs on the Inifiniti G35 and also Nissan 350Z that have a Vq35de. It is actually very simple. You have to actually use your 10mm wrench sockets and wrench and take out that bolt over there to release your coil. Once you release those coils, your spark plug should be right under. Now there's 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. So pretty much same on the driver's side. The only difference on the driver's side is your coil is sitting under the intake piping. Once you take this out, you should be able to get access into your coils, and then after that you should be able to take out your spark plugs. So pretty much I got the first spark plug over here. These are actually Looks pretty decent, I believe. Here's the new one. Now I don't know why this one is longer. I'm not really sure if I have gotten the wrong ones, but I guess we're gonna find out now. All right, so I just wanted to make sure that everything fits, and also I want to make sure that I got the right spark plugs. This is the model. All right, where's the model number? Here, 3417 SK16HR11. So it said that it fits the 2004 Inifiniti G35. I just put the first one back in. It should be okay. There you have it. I'm not gonna lie, guys, having new spark plugs, it felt like it was a lot smoother and probably gained some couple of horsepower, you never know. So here I got all the plugs. Pretty simple process, everything plug and play. You will need an extension, and also you need a 5A spark plug sockets, and then you'll be good. From now we're just gonna put the cover back on and then start the cleanup. So pretty much here I did a little upgrade. I already had this AEM air filter laying around. That's from the JZ swap. I used this last year. Still in pretty good condition. It's better than this eBay, you know, cheap filter. And also I moved the intake pipe a little higher because I didn't want to get hydrolock. You know, imagine you go driving in the rain and you step in the pool water, you know, all that thing is going to get sucking into your motor, so you don't really want that, you know. But as it is, the motor sounds really good. New spark plug, relocated the filter. I think it sounds stronger though. Alright, so we did a spark plug with the intake, you know, we cleaned it up a little bit. Now it's time to clean all the crap that we have in here. Let me just grab a bag. Alright, things that we don't need, actually, I'm gonna throw everything in here. So, alright, so first, we got some CDs. We don't run CDs anymore. Got garbage, pans, a lot of pans. This is actually a seat cover that is pretty dirty and ill. We got some registration over here, some paper, air freshener, cassette, gloves, tissues. I'm gonna pull this cover out. Might have to replace these seats. This is what is this? The insurance from previous owner. We don't want that either. Let's pull this cover out. I kind of hate having, you know, other people shit in here. So just take everything out. Right. All right. Gloves. Those are mine. There's so much garbage in here. This is mine. These are tools. Sensor. Oh, about the sensor, I fixed the problem. Now what I did is I went to actually Nissan and I bought a OEM one, and I fixed the check engine light, so the car should be good now. Shifter glasses, we don't need any of this shit. This plug, I might keep it, I might need it. Woo, damn. Let's see the bag. The bag actually is pretty clean. Oh, we got a floor mat here. I don't think I'm gonna take this floor mat. It's pretty good. I just gotta bring a vacuum in here, get it cleaned up, and then that should be it. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this two seat because they're pretty ripped up. But yeah, no plate, we don't need this. This is actually tools that I need. I need this. I got a whole bunch of stuff over here. I gotta fix this. Glove box, empty, everything empty, good. Keys. There's really nothing else in here. I'm just gonna take out those seats just to, you know, vacuum it, and also fix the airbag light that I had. And then that's it. Oh, another thing that I really have to fix is this thing over here. So what I'm planning to do is I'm actually gonna add a bolt over here, since I have a whole bunch of them in there, and then just lock it up in place, and then that should be it. All right, so there you go. It's not 100%, but it fixed the problem for now, until we decide what to do with the body kit. I was thinking to go wide body, but I think it's too much. I don't know. I love the wide body stuff, but you know, I don't know. still planning. We might have to, you know, cut the fenders, add some flares on the back, maybe add some new fenders, maybe a new front bumper. I don't know yet, you know, that's on the plan. But yeah, here's the car. It looks amazing, it feels good. Hopefully by tomorrow I should be able to add the oil cooler onto the car. Pretty much got everything in here. I just gotta wash this. Oil cooler, sandwich plate, oil filter, AN fittings, AN lines, the brackets where we're gonna mount the oil cooler. We could just custom fabricate that, no problem. I wanted to do something really cool in here. I don't know, is it worth it though, but that was in the plan. I wanted to add actually a stainless steel piping in here, but I do actually wanted to learn how to do pipe cuts, you know, something that I always wanted to do with stainless steel or titanium. I don't know, let's see how it goes. So pretty much on this side we got the 240SX S13 with the 1JZ VVTi. I took this car for a spin on Tuesday. Believe it or not, the temperatures were really good. I was actually pushing the car back and forth, boosting it high, and temperature I was staying close to 160, 170. That's water temperature. Oil temperature I was sitting about the same, you know, but hey, having a fan clutch is the plus. I don't know how the car is gonna perform on the track yet. I haven't really tried it, but I would definitely give you guys an update for next event. So pretty much what we're gonna do now is I'm actually gonna take the G35 for a spin now.